can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling.
Behold the Tesla Model Y, sleek, silent, but oh so stock. What if we could transform this electric beast into something that truly turns heads on the street? Welcome back to Steel & Style Garage, your ultimate destination for automotive transformations. Today we're diving deep into the world of Tesla Model Y modifications, exploring how to take this electric powerhouse from factory fresh to stunningly customized. If you're new to our garage, consider hitting that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps our channel grow. Drop a comment below sharing which Tesla mod catches your eye or any questions you might have about electrifying your ride's appearance.
Surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing.
In this video, we'll explore everything from subtle styling tweaks to mind-blowing transformations that completely reinvent what a Model Y can be. We're talking stance, muscle, Euro tuning, luxury builds, and even some budget-breaking dream builds that push the boundaries of what's possible. Have you modified your Tesla yet? Let us know in the comments what your experience has been like. Imagine your Tesla Model Y with aggressive fitment, slammed to the ground, perfectly capturing that Japanese domestic market aesthetic that's taken the modification scene by storm. JDM stance style on a Tesla creates a fascinating cultural fusion, merging cutting-edge electric technology with time-honored Japanese modification philosophy. The key elements include custom air suspension, allowing adjustable ride height, wide body kits to accommodate aggressive wheel fitment, and deep dish wheels with minimal offset tucked under custom fender flares. This look transforms the model. I's relatively conservative profile into something that would turn heads at any Tokyo car meet. What's your take on mixing traditional JDM aesthetics with modern electric vehicles? We'd love to see your JDM-inspired Tesla builds in the comments section. The beauty of this style lies in finding the perfect balance between the Tesla's futuristic design language and classic JDM elements like subtle front lips, side skirts, and rear diffusers. Add some tinted windows, blacked-out chrome delete, and perhaps some subtle rising sun-inspired accent graphics, and you've got yourself a uniquely styled Tesla that bridges automotive cultures across continents. The Tesla Model Y's instant torque already delivers muscle car performance, so why not complement it with a look that screams American automotive attitude? Transforming your Model Y into a muscle-inspired beast involves widening the stance with flared wheel arches, adding aggressive hood scoops, even if they're non-functional, and incorporating bold racing stripes down the center or along the sides. The color palette typically shifts to classic muscle car hues. Think Mopar purple, grabber blue, or deep metallic reds that harken back to the golden age of American performance cars. Key to this transformation is selecting the right wheels. Typically larger diameter with a classic 5-spoke design in gunmetal or chrome finish, paired with lower profile tires for that aggressive stance. Front splitters and rear spoilers add to the performance aesthetic, while window louvers or custom vents on quarter panels complete the muscle car homage. The beauty of this style is how it creates a fascinating juxtaposition. Silent electric power wrapped in a package that visually promises the rumble of a V8, creating a unique conversation starter wherever you go. Euro tuning brings a sense of refined aggression to the Tesla Model Y, drawing inspiration from iconic German tuners who've perfected the art of enhancing vehicles without sacrificing sophistication. This style focuses on clean lines, functional, aerodynamics, and a purposeful stance that suggests both performance and precision engineering. Think lowered suspension that maintains ride quality, subtle yet muscular body kits that enhance rather than transform the original design, and motorsport-inspired. Wheels in larger diameters with proper fitment that fills the wheel wells perfectly. The color palette for Euro-tuned Teslas typically leans toward understated elegance, metallics, pearl whites, deep blacks, and occasionally bold, solid colors like racing green or deep blue. Carbon fiber elements add both visual appeal and functional benefits, typically appearing on front splitters, side skirts, rear diffusers, and occasionally mirror caps or trim pieces. What Euro builds has caught your eye recently? Share your inspirations in the comments, and let's build an album of Euro-inspired Teslas together. The VIP style originated in Japan's luxury sedan scene, but translates beautifully to the Tesla Model Y, creating an atmosphere of electric opulence that turns heads for all the right reasons. This modification approach focuses on creating a vehicle that exudes exclusivity and sophistication through premium exterior finishes, custom paint with deep, rich colors, often in metallic or pearl variants, and sometimes two-tone applications that highlight the Model Y's distinctive lines. Chrome accents, or alternatively, complete blacked-out trim for a modern approach, create visual boundaries that enhance the vehicle's presence, while custom grills and body kits add subtle but distinctive character. The wheel choice defines much of the VIP aesthetic. Typically larger diameter, multi-piece forged wheels with deep lips and directional or complex spoke patterns, often in polished or brushed finishes. Stance plays a crucial role with air, suspension systems allowing for the perfect ride height whether cruising or parked. A VIP Tesla completes its transformation with tinted windows featuring subtle curtains, premium exterior lighting upgrades, and occasionally custom badging that announces this is no ordinary Model Y. This blend of Japanese VIP culture with American electric innovation creates a truly unique automotive statement. When financial constraints disappear, the Tesla Model Y becomes a canvas for automotive artistry that defies categorization or limitation. We're talking about radical body transformations that may retain only the basic structure and electric powertrain while reinventing everything else. These extreme builds often feature completely custom carbon fiber body panels with reimagined proportions. Dramatically widened fenders, sculpted hood lines, custom doors, including possible suicide or butterfly configurations, and aerodynamic elements that look straight from the future. The paintwork transcends conventional finishes with color-shifting chromaflake, hand-painted artistic elements, or even specialized wraps with textures impossible to achieve with traditional paint. Lighting technology becomes a major focus with custom LED arrays, programmable displays integrated into body panels, and projection capabilities that transform the vehicle into a rolling light show. These no-budget builds often incorporate advanced electronics with exterior displays, interactive elements, or synchronized lighting systems that respond to music or driving conditions. What would your dream Model Y build include if money were no object? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below and let's dream together about the ultimate Tesla transformation. Concept car-inspired modifications transform your Tesla Model Y into something that looks like it rolled straight off a major auto show turntable and onto your driveway. This style focuses on futuristic elements that push the boundaries of conventional automotive design, seamless body panels with minimal shut lines, alternative door configurations like gull wing or sliding designs, and integrated aerodynamic features that seem to defy conventional automotive architecture. The key is creating a cohesive vision rather than a collection of modifications, often requiring custom fabrication work rather than off-the-shelf parts. Lighting becomes particularly important in concept-inspired builds, with continuous LED light bars, illuminated Tesla badges, and sometimes even light-up wheel designs or underbody illumination that gives the impression of the vehicle hovering above the ground. Would you dare to transform your Tesla into something this radical? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Finished details often include camera systems replacing conventional mirrors, flush door handles or alternative entry systems, and transparent elements that reveal the electric technology beneath, all combining to create a vehicle that looks like it arrived from a decade in the future. We've journeyed through multiple Tesla Model Y transformation possibilities, from JDM-inspired stances to futuristic concept builds and everything in between. The beauty of modifying these electric vehicles lies in the blank canvas they provide. Free from the constraints of traditional engine bays and exhaust systems, allowing for truly innovative approaches to automotive personalization. Whether you're drawn to subtle enhancements that maintain Tesla's minimalist aesthetic or radical reinventions that completely transform the vehicle's identity, the modification community continues to push boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicles. Remember that the Steel and Style Garage community is here to support your modification journey. So don't forget to subscribe for weekly content that keeps you at the cutting edge of automotive customization. Hit that like button if you found inspiration for your Tesla project, and most importantly, share your builds, questions, and ideas in the comments section below. Until our next garage session, keep innovating, keep modifying, and most importantly, keep expressing yourself through your vehicles, because in this electric revolution, standing out has never been more electrifying.